Fixing a Workday sign-in error involves troubleshooting several common issues. Here's a concise guide. Incorrect credentials. Verify username and password. Ensure you are entering the correct username and password. Check for typos and ensure the caps lock key is not on. Reset password. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link on the login page and follow the instructions to reset it. Browser issues. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes stored cache and cookies can cause sign-in problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try signing in again. Update browser. Ensure you're using a compatible and updated web browser. Network issues. Check internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Disable VPN. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it and signing in again. Account lockout. Wait and retry. After multiple failed sign-in attempts, your account might be temporarily locked. Wait for a specified period and try again. Contact support. Reach out to your HR or IT department to unlock your account. Workday maintenance. Check for maintenance. Workday might be undergoing maintenance. Look for any announcements or check with your HR department about scheduled maintenance times. Incorrect URL. Verify URL. Ensure you're using the correct Workday URL provided by your organization.